एक गजालीचे ताजे प्रोस कॉन्स आसा, टिकाय केल्या कांय जाणांनी, बरें म्हळां इज द इम्पॅक्ट प्लेयर रूल.
Yes, yes.
हाऊ डू यू डिफेंड दॅट?
This is just another thing which has been introduced in the cricket, and I don't see any pros or cons. See, finally the competition is also so much, and suppose एक बरो player खंय तरी भायर बसता, you cannot make him into the play 11. If he's a bowler, he's a very good bowler, but just because of the team combination you cannot make him play in the 11. So in this scenario म्हाका दिसता की हो impact प्लेयराचो जो रूल आसा हो खऱ्यांनीच बरो आसा, कारण इन अ क्रंच सिच्युएशन जेन्ना टीमीक खऱ्यांनीच गरज आसता एक तर बॅट्समॅनाची नाल्यार एक तर बॉलराची, आनी अश्यो खुबश्यो गोश्टी जाता, अशे खुबशे इन्स्टन्सीस येता जेन्ना एक कॅप्टनाक वा एक टीमीक आपलो बऱ्यांतलो बरो बॅट्समॅन वा बऱ्यांतलो बरो बॉलर त्या टायमार जाय आसता. आणि
दिस गिव्स देम लिबर्टी.
this gives them liberty, and there is no harm in it because it is from both the sides.
Right.
It is not only given to the one
टॉस
team.
जिखता ताकाच मेळटा अशें ना न्ही
अशें
तें.
ना न्ही तें. So I think it's a good step to to make it more interesting maybe.